welcome back to another video. I'm currently prepping for a 2-week trip and I need to get my hair done, so that is where we're at right now. This is what my hair looks like right now. It has a lot of blonde in it, and then my roots are like honestly growing out. It just looks really rough, so I just want to get it done. Even if I wasn't going on a trip, I probably would have gotten it done because it's just genuinely not making me feel like myself anymore. We are going to be going darker. I'm literally so nervous, you guys. I'm at a new salon. I've never been here before and I'm really excited because I know she's going to do so good. She has so many good pictures on her like feed and stuff. They're the best, but I'm literally so freaking nervous. I don't remember the last time I went darker. I feel like I've been going lighter for about 2 years now. The last time I got it done, I just let it grow out and then it just looked brunette, but I haven't gone a little bit darker. I still am going to do a little bit of blonde because I want it to not be a huge difference, just in case I don't like it or it's like something where I'm like really hard to get used to. But yeah, we're gonna go in. Moment of silence for this hair. I loved the blonde. I probably will be going blonde next year, but let's do brunette for fall. Check her out, but she did so good. We did like a Teddy bronze. I don't even know what it's called. So shiny. I don't even know what it is. Yeah. Lighting's not the best right now because it's kind of a rainy day, but I'm obsessed with it. As you guys can tell, we still kept a little bit of blonde because if I did a lot of brown, I was scared I was not gonna like it. I didn't want it to be a drastic change, but I'm low-key loving the brunette. Like, I might go darker next time because it just looks so good. But yeah, I'm obsessed with it. She did so good. I was so nervous because I haven't gone brunette in a while, so I kind of just asked her to do some blonde pieces and just keep it. And then if I want to go darker next time, I'll just dye it or tone it down a little bit. But yeah, that's the hair reveal. I feel like so much better about myself. We also did a little bit of a trim, so it's looking a lot more healthier and cute for fall time. But yeah, that's the hair reveal. I'm literally so happy right now with how it turned out.
Oh my god! Why does that actually look so good? I see more brown than blonde. At the top I see more blonde, but I see more brown on this side. Oh, it's so cute.
You guys, I love this base face milk. It's so good. I think I'm gonna get one of these. You guys, I didn't know that Touchland makes these like hair fragrance mists, so I think I'm gonna get it. I can like bar, and especially on the days where I forget to put perfume, it's gonna be good. The girl that did my hair said that this hair mask is really good and she used it on my hair and it was so shiny, so I might get it. It's literally like $20. It's called Sebastian. So yeah, I'm gonna try it at home and it's not even that expensive, and they have shampoo, oils, and all that. Okay you guys, we just came out of Ulta. I'm actually with my mom. But first off, we gotta go fast because we gotta like head back. But first off, I got these mighty patches. I like needed a restock. Then I actually did some damage in Ulta. Like, I genuinely didn't think I was gonna buy this much, but I am prepping for my trip. I needed a restock of the mascara, so I got this Sky High mascara. This is the best mascara. My hair is actually looking brown in the camera. And then I got the Ilia moisturizer. It's like a base and it's really good. Like, I definitely recommend it. It was like $58. Genuinely expensive, but I haven't used it in a while and I needed a restock for a long time, so I'm so glad I got it. Then I got this mouthwash for our trip. It's like a mini TSA size. And then this hair mask, I've heard a lot of good things about it. Actually, I just heard it 2 days ago from my hairstylist. She said it was really good and my hair is genuinely looking shiny, so I am so excited to try this. Got this deodorant from Way. I didn't even know they made deodorant, just crazy. And this one is the Melrose place. She actually got one too. And then I got the Philosophy perfume. This stuff is good. I got a little mini size because I want to have one for my travel trip. And then this Touchland perfume, I want to have one of these in the car. It's like a little mini size and you can just spray it on, especially for the days where you forget to put perfume or you kind of smell bad. I got the Way detox shampoo. I wanted to get it a mini size. This stuff is so good. It's my holy grail. I'm obsessed with it, but I just wanted to have one for my trip because it's like a tiny version. And that's everything I got. Now I have to put everything back in the bag. You guys have not seen my mom in a while. Yes. Guys, gotta go fast. Then. Okay guys, I'm currently getting ready. I need to do a lot lot of things today, and I'm currently getting ready because I have a couple errands I need to run, and I accidentally slept in, so that just made things 10 times worse because I had a lot of things to do. I really wanted to work out this morning and probably still could, but I'm genuinely not in the mood to work out. And I don't know about you guys, but like, it's probably gonna be TMI, but when I'm a week or a couple days away from my period, I get really irritated with everything and lazy. Like, I feel like I'm in a rut and all I want to do is literally lay on the couch and watch Netflix all day. Like, I genuinely feel that way, and right now that's literally how I'm feeling. Like, I genuinely didn't want to get out of bed. I was laying in bed for a good 40 minutes. My goal today was wake up at 8 and I woke up at 10. So I hope that I'm feeling this way, especially before our trip, because I need to be like up and ready doing everything right now, especially prepping for this trip. I also have a bunch of videos that I want to film for you guys. I'm gonna be out for like a whole month, so definitely shouldn't be feeling this way right now, but it's whatever. We're just gonna pick ourselves up and just stay focused, and that's like my #1 advice, to just keep going and don't let your emotions and thoughts win, especially when you have a lot of things to do. Just get it done, and then later you can just treat yourself. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna treat ourselves tonight after everything is done. I feel like I need to do a list for everything, and you guys already know, but first up I need to organize my drawers and clean the bathroom. I haven't cleaned the bathroom in honestly a minute. It is starting to look really bad, so I just need to get that done. That's why I have my like kind of gym clothes on. I usually like having like a comfy fit that I can just have on while cleaning the house and stuff. I need to put up some Depop clothes because I've been lacking on that, and I have like way too much sitting in a pile over there, so I just need to get that done. And then I also want to do my nails because, as you guys can tell, this one came off and it's genuinely looking bad. And I also want to go to Target because I want to get a birthday card for my mom, just like write a little letter for her because her birthday's coming up, and I did not get her a card. I got like obviously her gift last minute, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, that's kind of like what's on the list today. Also, I love to use this Lash Paradise mascara. I got a couple questions on that, so that's the mascara I use. I literally get it at Target. I think they probably sell it at Walmart. Okay, finished doing my makeup, and here's the makeup. It's literally something so simple. Like, I just do this makeup every day. As you guys can tell, I love blush, so I also want to do like a makeup tutorial. As you guys know, the first thing on the list is to organize my dresser. Recently, I got this new nightstand and I took everything out. I honestly genuinely didn't need, and I didn't throw it out. I put it all in my dresser with all my clothes. That's so embarrassing. This is the dresser that I'm talking about. I put all of my clothes in here, but then I also threw all the stuff that was in my nightstand. I genuinely didn't have space for it. I have like random books in here, and then just a bunch of clothes thrown in here that are not organized. My camera in this one with my candle. Anyways, I'm gonna organize all of this really quickly so I can get it out of the way, and then we're gonna clean that bathroom right there. So you guys, this is the lashes that I was talking about. It came in yesterday, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I use it. So make sure to subscribe to do a tutorial on how to do lashes at home if you're wondering. Okay, this drawer is all of my PJs, and it's already looking so much better. So all of these are like the tops of my PJs, and then these are like the thicker ones. So this could be like either shorts, pants, or a top that's like very thick that won't fit on these sides because they're like a little bit thinner. And then these are all my shorts on the side. So yeah, it looks a lot better. I use these organizers that I got from Amazon. I have a link down below if you guys are interested, but it's literally so good because it keeps it all organized in one place and it won't get like all messy. Let's see how long this lasts though, because it always never lasts. Okay, I finally finished organizing, and it still like kind of looks messy because everything's pretty random in these drawers and they're very small. This is just like what I have to deal with, but basically I just put all of my pants on this side, my eye mask in here, my face mask, and then a couple books underneath. This one, I have these 2 baskets that just has more PJs in it, and then as you guys can tell, I have my candles there, a little container with like some pens and pencils, and then also cough drops for whenever I get sick. They'll just be in here. And then in this one, I have more pants and then just like clothes. I use the little organizer again from Amazon, which again just keeps everything in just one place. I have more clothes in here which are genuinely so random, so I'm not even gonna go through it because I feel like these drawers are mainly gonna be stored with clothes that I don't usually go into because this isn't my main drawer. Like, I have my own closet. I live in Florida, so I like to keep more of like the winter clothes in here where I don't usually pick them up, but I still have to put them in a place. And then this one's very random, as you guys can tell. I'm not even gonna go through this because it's genuinely so random, but you guys can see. Anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna get any questions on this, but this dresser is actually from Wayfair. I'll have it linked down below. I love it so much. It just doesn't have a lot of space in it, so that's what kind of sucks, but it's a good dresser to just have if you have another closet with a lot of clothes. You can put extra stuff in here. Also, I've been obsessed with my new nightstand. It's literally so pretty, and it's still pretty much organized, and yeah, I'm loving it. Now we gotta clean this bathroom.
grande iced pumpkin chai latte with extra cold. Like, bro, why is it so long? Hi, could I get a venti? And then could I get a grande iced pumpkin chai latte?
We came here yesterday and I think it's the same guy working. It's looking embarrassing.
The pumpkin dust. I literally sucked in all the pumpkin dust.
Okay, I'm back home. I'm gonna give you guys a haul of what I got from Target. We decided not to go grocery shopping because we are going to be going to my mom's and we're going to have dinner there for like the next 3 days. So we might just like order tonight so that food doesn't get bad. But first thing, Caleb got his deodorant that he usually uses. And then I got these cotton rounds for the trip so I can bring, because that's how I remove my makeup, as well as the makeup remover from Garnier. I love this one. We got batteries for our alarms. We need it. Hand soap that's literally spilling everywhere. If you love lavender, then get it. Got this fragrance scent for my Pura. Like makes the house smell really good. And I got the Hawaii one, so I'm really excited. And then I also got the linens insert. And I absolutely love my Pura. I just hate how expensive it is for all of these little fragrances. They don't last that long, especially if you have it on 24/7. Needed these for like our trip so that I can put like my shampoo and conditioner and then it won't take up too much space. And then I also got the raspberry leaf tea because I know this is TMI, but I've heard that it helps you a lot with when you're on your period. Usually on my first day, I am not feeling the best where I'm literally throwing up. It gets that bad. My cramps are so bad. So they say that raspberry leaf tea helps a lot. So I'm really excited to see if it actually helps. So I'm just gonna start drinking this like literally every day until I get my period. And then I also got my mom's birthday card, which is so freaking cute. I'm gonna show you guys what I got for her birthday. I got her a freaking Longchamp bag and I'm literally so excited to give it to her because she loves mine that I have. It's like the smaller version. It's like a white one. So I got her this one. I'm not gonna open it because I got it in a gift wrapping and I don't want to mess it up because it's so freaking cute. Yeah, that's everything that I got. Now I really want to put up some Depop clothes and then I also want to do my nails and get that out of the way and start my next video that I have to film. So yeah, I feel like a lot of boring things, but gotta get it done. This is what they look like and I haven't been using it recently because I haven't had a scent that I love and these were on sale, so I just took advantage of it. But they're really nice. I had literally one from Christmas. I need to take this off. Going through like all my clothes that I want to sell on Depop, and I had this in my basket, but I honestly might keep it because I feel like it's such a good staple. It's from Aerie and it's also really comfy, especially for the winter time. So yeah, this is a keep. I just finished putting all the clothes up. I have like a couple that I have pictures with, so I didn't even want to try it on. But basically this is just a dress that I have that I don't obviously wear. And like I have a picture with this on. I feel like this is such a good top for like a birthday or something. And then I do have clothes that I just went through. Like this one I used to use a lot. Here's another cute little top. Yeah, I'm just gonna go on Depop and like put them all up and then show sizes and all that stuff. It takes me a while, so we're just gonna get that done. It's also about to rain, so I definitely want to just relax after this. Is literally shining right now, but it's about to pour. Like you guys can see that cloud. It's huge. I feel like it rains at the end of the day, which is like the coziest time. Also, I feel like these pictures are not the best, so I'm sorry.